All right, so for the assignment, Restore Baby Girl, when you click on the directions, it says download the little girl below. 2 fingers to right click, save image as, and remember it's saving it into the tote. Go back to Remove.bg. I'm going to grab her from the tote. There's her image, drag and drop it. Now, at first glance, it looks really good, but if you look closer, I'm going to zoom in. It chopped her hand off, so we need to fix that. So up here at the top, we're going to click on this Erase or Restore button. Make sure you click Restore, because if you accidentally click Erase and you start coming over here, you're erasing things, so we don't want to do that. So click on Restore. I'm going to grab a smaller brush, and I'm just going to start holding it down, and our hand will start reappearing. Now, if you want to get picky and try to get in there between each finger, that's fine, but for what you need, that'll work. Go ahead and hit the blue download button, download image. It's also in the tote. Back to Google Classroom, view the assignment. Over here on your work, add or create, drawing. Create the drawing. Now, I don't want to tell you where to put her. I really don't want to tell you to put her, so I'm going to come up with something totally random that you hopefully won't do. I'm going to come up with something totally random that you hopefully won't do. That'll work. So again, you're going to come up with something. Please don't pick a slide. Come up with something else. I'm going to move the picture again to the upper left-hand corner. Click on the canvas. Resize the canvas. Again, do not resize the image. Resize the canvas. Grab the little girl. Click on her. Now grab the little girl. That's a little too big, so again, proportionally make her fit like she's actually gone down the slide or whatever you put her on. Make sure she's proportional. And then when you're done, File, Download, JPEG. It's in the tote, so I'm going to go back to Google Classroom, Add or Create, File, Browse, Recent, find that picture. Remember, there's 2 files attached. I need you to delete the Google drawing, delete the Google drawing, turn in, turn in.